If you are a photographer or someone with thousands of photos, organizing them is harder than taking them. Before we even talk about services, here's something important. Most photo libraries are full of duplicates and similar images. Using Picture Echo on Windows or Mac, you can clean those first and instantly reduce your workload. Because people typically rely on professional digitization services, photo organizing experts, cloud-based solutions, but each comes with a different cost, timelines, and limitations. So let's compare the small photo organizing companies that don't just scan your photos and offer you a range of services in Boston, starting with the Photo Curator. They sort and categorize printed photos, remove duplicates manually, and build structured digital archives. The pricing is usually project-based because they offer a full service photo management. The customers love their highly personalized approach and strong attention to detail. Next up is ever-present, and they convert printed photos, slides, and albums into digital files. They also provide organized digital deliveries. They are known for being really reliable and professional and have a high quality of scanning. Next up is Color Tech of Boston. They restore damaged or faded prints and they repair scratches, tears, and discoloration. Because they have high quality restoration, their prices can be on the premium end sometimes. However, they are best for valuable or fragile photos that need recovery and retouching. Then we have Scan Cafe. They convert large volumes of photos, slides, and film and offer mail-in services for convenience. The prices start at 48 cents per image, but they also have kit boxes. The customers love their affordable pricing, and for bulk projects, they offer very good quality. Lastly, we have Boston Photo Restorations. They help with photo restoration and digitization. Because it's a personalized, high-quality restoration work, they have premium per photo charges. However, the customers love their high-quality work. Before you pay for scanning, upload to cloud, or organize manually, there's a smarter step. Use Picture Echo. Picture Echo helps you detect duplicates and similar photos visually, clean thousands of images in minutes, and reduce storage costs before uploading. It works on Windows and Mac. It's also highly rated on Trustpilot, making it a trusted solution for modern photo cleanup. So a professional should be cleaning first, then organizing, and then storing.